Greetings YouTube, Alain Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Thursday, March 19th, 2020. And have you guys been wondering what Farmer G is growing in our garden this year? You have? We're going to flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you guys exactly what Farmer G is growing in our garden in his planter this year. For those of you who have been following our channel for a while, you're aware of the fact that last year Farmer G grew Beauregard sweet potatoes here in our front yard extended grow area. He did quite well in that planter. It was an experimental planting, but he did quite well in that planter. And earlier this year, Farmer G returned to our garden to get a head start on what he's growing this year in our front yard extended grow area. We're gonna flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you guys exactly what it is that Farmer G is growing in our front yard extended grow area this year. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, for those of you again who have been following our channel for a while, I'm sure you guys are familiar with this particular planter in our garden. This is Farmer G's planter. This is the planter in which last year Farmer G grew Beauregard sweet potatoes in our front yard extended grow area. He did quite well in that during that experimental planting. But this year, YouTube, Farmer G is growing something completely different in our front yard extended grow area. I'm going to take you guys in for a close-up right now and show you guys exactly what that is. Take a look at this, YouTube. Yeah. This year, Farmer G decided to grow. Farmer G decided to try his hands at growing strawberries here in our front yard extended grow area. As you can see, these are the Bonnie variety of strawberries. They're called Quinault, and that sun is wreaking havoc on my shot here, but Farmer G planted these strawberry plants about a week and a half ago here in our garden. We found these particular strawberry plants at our local tractor supply company here in Tigton, Georgia. This is not an endorsement for the tractor supply company or any of its affiliates. We just wanted to let you guys know exactly where we purchased these strawberries from. They were approximately $2.78 for each plant. We went ahead and grabbed 2 of those plants. This particular variety of strawberries is a perpetual variety. It'll keep bearing year after year after year. It'll keep producing new runners, and they'll root down and produce new plants. And as you can see, this particular strawberry plant, YouTube, already has strawberries on it. Do you guys see that? We already have strawberries on these plants, both of these plants. These plants do best between the months of June and the first frost. So between now and the first frost, we should have several little strawberries to actually appear on our plants and fully formed and mature. We'll bring you guys back for an update on these strawberry plants sometime within the next 2 to 3 weeks to show you their growth progress. At any rate, YouTube, yes indeed, Farmer G. And this year, Farmer G is growing strawberries right here, right now, in Grow Zone 8B, Tigton, Georgia, in our front yard garden extended grow area. Thanks for watching, and if you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Bonnie strawberries, Quinault. Thanks for watching, YouTube.